All right, today I'm checking out Daisy Chainsaw. I'm listening to Natural Man 11. Let's get into it. What, what was what was that sound at the end? Maybe like slurping a drink through a straw, and then the drink was finished, and you got a little slurp noise. Throughout the song, it sounded like they were walking through puddles. That's what I was thinking that noise was in the background. Then at the end, I'm like, dang, maybe bubble guts, and then maybe drinking through a straw, and you just finished the drink. I was hoping there was an about section because this one's a little artistic. I am a god no one understands. I am the one. I am the one. The natural man. I am. Yeah. It's like this is some artsy fartsy abstract stuff. Cause for one, she's a woman. She's not even a man. So that's how you know she's doing art right now. Okay. She's doing art. What could that possibly mean? Right? I don't know. Some religions have multiple gods. Maybe she's just saying she's one of them. She's one of the gods of a religion with multiple gods, and people should worship her or something. But then it's probably not that because she's a natural man when she's not a man. She's a woman, right? So she's a natural woman, and this is why I'm lost. I'm trying to string this together, and maybe it's sarcasm or some kind of cheekiness. I'm perfect, that's for sure. I stand in a class all by myself. I am. It's like nobody believes that. Nobody who's sane believes that they are perfect, right? So maybe she's talking about people who think like this. Maybe that's what she's doing. She's role playing as like some psychopath, some narcissist or something. Maybe she's role playing as that and singing from their perspective. And like I don't know who she's talking about. Maybe an ex-boyfriend or maybe no one in particular. Maybe just people with massive egos in general. Maybe it's that. there's people that come to mind modern day who kind of have a God complex. There's famous artists and stuff who have that kind of complex, and they have mental breakdowns and go crazy and have episodes and then get committed to places. Like, that happens, right? That happens. Maybe she's talking about people like that, but this predates modern crazy artist stuff. So maybe artists like that back in the day, which I wouldn't know about. That's what I think is going on. It's gotta be that. It gotta be.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But I don't know.